Hello, I'm Roy and I'll be in the third grade Wylock worksheets. So the first one is place values. Let's just do 1, 3, 5, and 9. Okay, so place values. The first number on the way right. So if it's gonna be like this, if the way right one is called the ones. This one's the 10th. This one's the 100. And this one's thousands. So if you look at this, there's 2 digits. So on here, there's 2 digits. No, let me adjust my voice. It's 2 digits. So the 2 is in the ones place, and the 5 is in the 10th place. So 5 is 10th. It's in the 10th place. 603. So the 3 is in the 1 place. 0 is in the 10th place, and the 6 is in the 100th place. 100th place. 599. Oops. 9 is in the ones place. The second 9 is in the 10th place, and 5 is in the 100th place. So it's in the 100th place. 3 is in the ones place. 4 is in the 10th place, and 5 is in the 100th place. We're looking for 3, so 3 is in the 1th place. Okay, even and odd. When you do even numbers are numbers that could be divided by 2. So for example, 14, that could be divided by 2, which is 7, because 7 plus 7 equals 14. But 15 is odd, because it can't be divided by 2, because the only 2 numbers that add up that are close to equal is 7 and 8. And they aren't equal, so they aren't odd. So 4 could be divided by 2. 2 plus 2, so this is an even. 15, let's read it over here. 15 is an odd, because 15 divided by 2 is 7. No, yeah, you can't do that. So it's probably going to come out of the decimal number. So this one's an odd. Okay, 115. Oh yeah, there's also whatever number is a multiple of 2, that means it's an even, but if it's by 1s, 3, or the 3s, it's gonna be an odd. So 155, that's by a 5. 5 is an odd number, so this one's an odd number. 2,632. This one ends with the even number, so this one's gonna be even. Multiplication. Okay, 8 times 5. That basically means 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8, or you could do 5 plus 5 plus 5 8 times, and if you do that, you get 40. 2 times 6, that basically means 2 plus 2 plus 2 6 times, or you could do 6 plus 6, and 6 plus 6 equals 12. Okay, 11 times 77. No, 11 times 7. When you multiply a single digit by 7, it's just gonna be that single digit twice. For example, 11 times 7, because you're basically multiplying 7 times 1 and 7 times 1 again. So you just bring down 7, 7, 7. So it's 77. 3 times 10, that basically means 10 plus 10 plus 10, or you could do 3 plus 3 plus 3 10 times, and if you do that, you get 30. Word problems. Okay, let's just do one. This one. Okay, Kelly put 397 bales of hay in one barn. there are still 186 bales of hay in the farm. How many more bales of hay are in the barn than the field? So our keyword is how many more, which means that we have to subtract because we're supposed to find how many more are there in the barn than the field. So when you subtract, you just do the smaller number first. So 397 minus 186. You multiply right to left and top to bottom. 7 minus 6 is 1. 9 plus 9 minus 8 is 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. So there are more. 211 bales of hay. Okay, our number 126 is an even number. Write 2 more even numbers, including one with the 4-digit. Okay, so even numbers are numbers that can be divided by 2. For example, 126 is divisible by 2. You could do 12, 6, and 3. Because 63 plus 63, 6, 12, that equals 126. So we're supposed to write 2 more even numbers. We could do like 12, because 6 plus 6 equals 12, so it's an even. So we could just write 12, and a 4-digit number. When you write more than 2-digit big numbers, you could just write 3 random numbers, and the last number is the most important number because that's the one you decide if it's even or odd. So you could do like 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and then the last number should be an even number. It could be either 2, 4, 6, 8. So I'm just gonna use 8, and 1,238 is an even number.